Hi, this is Megan from Will Paint Nails for Food, and I'm going to show you a really easy way to make a watermark using the brush tool in Adobe Photoshop Elements, of course. So my first step is to open a new blank file, and can set it at watermark 1. And you want to make your file size so that it is largish. You don't want to make it too small because you can always adjust the watermark so that it can be smaller. Okay, so I have my new blank document, and all I do is I just select the text tool, and it needs to think. Okay, so just select a text box, and that font is a little bit too big. That font's a little bit too small. And I've set my font to Geneseo, which is the one that I use for my blog. And I want the text to be black. Okay. That's still a bit too small. So that looks good. So just proofread it. Will paint nails for food. Okay, looks good to me. So I just go up to edit and I go to define brush, and it's called watermark 1. Okay, so then I go into my photograph and I go into the brush tool, and it's set right here. So this is my different brushes, and you can see it's the last one here called watermark 1. So oops, undo. Okay, so here I can adjust the size. So that's a little bit too big. Maybe I want it to be more like 800 pixels. That looks good. I can also adjust the opacity. So it's at 80%. I want it to be 100. I can also adjust the color. So let's make it, can make it blue. No, let's just make it black. Okay. There we go. So then in order to do a watermark, all I have to do is put the font where I want it, the text thing, and then click my mouse, and there's my watermark. Can also undo it. If you want something a little bit more faint, you can adjust the opacity. Okay. I can also adjust it so that, say I want the watermark to be the same color as the nail polish. There. That looks good. So, so that's a very easy way to do a watermark using the brush tool, and that's how I do all my watermarks. I hope you found this helpful, and of course, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to email me or leave a comment on my blog or my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.